Back to RR Legal Talks, today's legal updates. We bring you a significant ruling by Supreme Court of India in 2025, which clarifies a highly debated issue. Are penalties imposed by consumer firms like NCDRC covered under the Moratorium provided the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, particularly Section 96. So let's decode the landmark case. Saranga Anil Kumar Agarwal versus Bhavesh Tirajlal Sheth, and understand its broader implications for the real estate and insolvency ecosystem. Now I will take you to the background of the case. Mr. Saranga Agarwal was a real estate developer facing multiple consumer complaints before the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, that is NCDRC, for delay in possession, deficiency in services, breach of contract. So the NCDRC allowed the complaints and ordered completion of the construction, handover flats, penalties for non-compliance, total 27 penalties posed. Despite some settlements, delays in installments led the home buyers to file execution proceedings. Meanwhile, the developer was undergoing insolvency proceedings under Section 95 and under Section 7 of IBC, leading him to argue that Section 96 moratorium applies and the execution proceedings must be stopped. So, the legal issue, the key legal question was, do penalties imposed by NCDRC for violation of consumer rights qualify as a debt under IBC, thereby attracting the interim moratorium under Section 96 of IBC? So, we'll see the Supreme Court ruling. The Honorable Supreme Court held, no, the penalties imposed by NCDRC are regulatory in nature. Such penalties are not considered as a debt under IBC. So Section 96 states only actions in respect of any debt, not regulatory or penal actions. So the compensation, damages to consumers serve a broader public interest to deter unethical business conduct and compensate victims. So these penalties are excluded debt under Section 79(15) and do not attract the protection of interim moratorium under Section 96. This is what Supreme Court only do. So the key legal provisions discussed here, Section 96 of IBC, interim moratorium or legal actions in respect of debt upon filing of application by individual under Section 94 or Section 95. Section 95 is of Section 15 IBC is a definition of excluded debts, which includes penalties or compensation awarded for breach of law, fines imposed by regulators like a consumer forums. Section 31 and 36 of IBC related to approval of resolution plans and liquidated estates. These are the legal provisions in detail discussed. So why this case is important? So this case clarifies the scope of consumer penalties under IBC. Important for real estate companies undergoing insolvency and protects home buyers and consumers from being sidelined in insolvency proceedings. It prevents misuse of IBC moratorium to escape statutory liabilities. Now the conclusion is, to summarize, consumer penalties are equal like regulatory liabilities. So not covered by Section 96 moratorium. IBC is not a safe harbor from your consumer law duties. This ruling is a win for consumer protection and reaffirms that IBC cannot override the rights of the consumers, especially in the real estate sector. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert legal content on IBC, even SEBI, the MCA, and judicial updates. Please do subscribe RR Corporates, other channel RR Legal Talks for more updates. Thank you.